It couldn't be shittier than this. Okay. So really all that's going on here is a game of pong, doink, doink.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's July 17, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. President Trump said a trade deal with India is near. Talks with Europe show promise, but progress with Canada is uncertain. European stocks are up, US futures are mixed, and TSMC surged over 4% pre-market after strong Q2 results. The USD is rebounding, while the AUD lags after weak job data. Oil spiked briefly on reports of attacks in Iraq's Kurdistan region. Gold is slightly lower. Upcoming US data includes trade, jobless claims, and retail sales, with key earnings from PepsiCo, GE, Abbott, and Netflix awaited. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Let's start with the currency pairs. First one is Aussie US dollar. Currently the market is sideways, okay? We are in a bearish market, you can see. The trend was down. Strong trend, but the RSI is right in the middle, so not going to go anywhere right now. I'm waiting to see if it resumes the trend going to the downside. Volume is strong. Just had the rocket ship paint there right as we were talking about it. We are in a Keltner breakout, the second bar of the breakout. It's ranked as the second best strategy right at this moment. The best top two are the pivot and the S&P. So what do? Order pools are way the hell up here, so there's no support and resistance play. I don't see anything down here at the bottom. If I was a betting man, I would wait for this to turn blue again and trade to the downside. If this thing pops up to the upside, all bets are off. Okay? Yeah, and we just had the good employment numbers and good consumer price index numbers.
Yeah, the core retail sales.
Yeah.
Heck, even Philly's doing okay.
The US Canadian dollar. Right now, current trend is up. That's pretty obvious. Bullish, strong. This is starting to turn a little reddish. We are getting near the up. We're in the high 50s, low 60s. So it's not quite there, but we're moving in that direction. Volume is strong. If you look at the structure of the pricing right now, we're big order pool up here, okay? And I think there's a medium one down here behind it. We had a couple of S&Ps, momentum peaks right here, the minor ones. And as I was telling you in our conversation earlier, the little weak guys, I tend to counter trend trade. And then the really strong, big yellow ones, I trade with the trend. So this one would have been an easy one to call. Like when they're down here, it's hard to decide which way to go. But this one, which is right inside that big order pool, it's pretty obvious that you want to counter trend those. That's what's going on right there. Current idea for a trade on this is short. Okay.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
Trend is up, bullish, strong trend, right in the middle of the RSI, but volume's high. This thing has been creeping up to the upside. Now it's pulling back a little bit. Here, the only order pool is way down here. This pricing is also at the same point where we had a big bunch of momentum peaks in the past. So
It's acting like an order pool's up there.
it's like prices reached this point and pulled back for looks like third time. 1, 2, 3. So we'll have to see what's going on. So the play here is if it breaches the pivot and heads to the downside, this is probably going to be a short, or it might come here and try for the third time and see if it can break through whatever that magic resistance is over there. But it's currently working off that S&P. We're on the third bar, so that's going to expire with the 3-bar stop strategy. And last but not least, pound US dollar. If I looked at this earlier, it was a mess. Okay, this is doing Pong. So the current marketplace is sideways. Right at the moment, we're bearish. We have a weak trend. We're right in the middle of the RSI, and there's no volume. It couldn't be shittier than this. Okay. So really all that's going on here is a game of Pong. Doink, doink. Currently, no signals are firing, and we are just literally bouncing back and forth off the Kellner channels. I looked at this earlier this morning when I first got up. I was like, oh, that's an ugly looking chart. So really don't do anything on this one until it plays its hand and tells you what it wants to do. It's tried to fake you out twice here, once here, and once here, but those were just head fakes and it moved right back into the channel. So that's what's going on. And that's all I got for today.
Yep. All right. Happy trading.